Eso. Come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. Oh, girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my feet up off the floor, move my hips closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. I'll be the one you're looking for, shorty. So come on the dance floor and baby show me all your moves, all your grooves. Shorty, I got something to prove to you. So come on, take a little chance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance, dance a little dance. Come on, dance a little dance. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty.
Mia from Mia's World, and welcome to our channel. Today, Sirius and I are here in Long Beach, California. We will be setting sail at about 4-ish, heading down to the Mexican Riviera. We are aboard the Carnival Panorama.
Well, hello, Carnival Panorama family. This is your cruise director, Joey, and welcome aboard this amazing ship for an incredible 7 days of fun we have in store for you this week. We are celebrating Mother's Day this cruise as well, so shout out to all those amazing mums and grandmas that are on board. We appreciate everything you do, and we love you very much. Now, before we get started with the fun, we do have some things that we need to get sorted first. First of all, the self-mustering process. It is a self-mustering process on this ship. It is nice and easy. It takes a couple of minutes time, I promise you that. All you need to do is find out where your muster station is. You can find that on your room key. You which is your sailing sign card, or you can also find it on your boarding pass. As soon as you find it, it will be a letter and a number. Head straight there. We've got our amazing team members that will check you in, and then a quick life jacket demonstration. So head there now if you haven't done so yet. We do need full accountability of all guests to have checked into their muster station before we set sail. So we want to set sail on time. So make sure you head there if you haven't done so yet. Also, while you've got cell service here in Long Beach, make sure you download that Carnival's Boat app. That will keep you up to date with everything that's happening on board the ship this week. And it will have your dining room times, it'll have menus for our specialty restaurants, you can check out your photographs you've been taking, you can check out all the entertainment, and you can also book shore excursions on there as well. So make sure you take advantage of that and get it downloaded now. And finally, if you are traveling with the children this week, you need to take a few final steps to get them registered for the kids activities. We have Camp Ocean, we have Circle C and Club O2 covering all sorts of ages. So make sure you pop up to Camp Ocean on deck 11 at the midship to fill in that final information for your registration. Welcome aboard, we're going to have a fantastic week, I promise you that. But make sure you get to your muster station nice and quick so we can set sail at time.
We are going to give you a short tour of our stateroom 9329. Again, guys, like I said, Sirius and I are here on the Carnival Panorama, Long Beach, California, leaving out this afternoon on a 7-day Mexican Riviera. Our first port of call will be Ports of Vallarta, followed by Mazatlan, and finished up at Cabo San Lucas, and we will be on our way back and return here to Long Beach on Saturday morning. Again, we are in balcony stateroom 9329. Our balcony is a nice size balcony, pretty basic, 2 chairs and a table for you all to sit out here if you do so choose to have coffee or a glass of wine or anything that you do just to see as the world cruises by us, one knot at a time. Standard room size, bed configuration is standard. You have a nightstand on that side and one on that side. There's also a switch in the middle that controls this light here. Standard size television. We haven't done too much as far as exploring TV wise, but I'm quite sure it's your basic Carnival TV setup. Here we have our desk. We also have a bench plugged in nicely there. You have your cooler for your wine, soda, juice, whatever you choose to place in there. 3 shelving, nice shelves. Mirror. Not sure if this particular stateroom, if this is a pull-out. I'm not exactly sure. We will explore. If it is, we will let you know in the comments if that couch does any type of pulling out. When it comes down to storage, in the first closet, we have 1, 2, 3 shelves along with your in-room safe and 3 nice size drawers. 3 nice size drawers. Okay, then we have another full-length closet, or not, because you have your little let-down lip, what I'm gonna call it, if you choose to bring that down, or if not, you could leave it at your standard full-size closet. Again, we have another full-size closet. So pretty much a good amount of storage. Full-length mirror for us beautiful ladies who want to make sure that we are good to go before we head out for the evening. And finally, the bathroom. Our bathroom is a standard cabin bathroom, no glitz or glamour to it. We have a full stand-up shower, shower curtain, toilet. We're working with a single sink, a magnifying mirror, and plenty of storage space. There you have it, guys. It's pretty much it when it comes down to stateroom 9329 here on the Carnival Panorama. Leaving out again, I will say today at about 4-ish, depending on if everyone completes their muster drill on time. And that's basically it. One other note I will say, because this question has been asked. It has been asked to me, and it was asked earlier in the muster station. On the Carnival Panorama, hopefully this will not ever be needed, but your life jackets are located under the bed. Again, friends, on the Carnival Panorama, life jackets are located under your bed. Thank you guys for coming along on our walkthrough. Again, this is Mia from Mia's World, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.